Welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll be learning how to use Premiere Pro related programs such as Adobe Photoshop and After Effects. So for here, as you can see, this image has a white background behind. And you want to make it transparent, so we can right click and edit in Adobe Photoshop. So for here, to create a transparent background, you need to create a new layer and this. And we use the quick selection tool. And just click on the white spots and delete. And we can just save as PNG and replace the file. Now I can just cross it. And you can see that the background already become transparent. So another thing is, if you want to make many faces appear at the same time, something like this. So for example, you want to make the faces appear like this, and you want more faces. So Premiere Pro cannot do it because there are only 3 video tracks. So the only way to do it is we open up After Effects. We drag the file into the project panel. Now we just create a new composition and we set it to 1080p. And now we can just drag inside wherever you want. Can adjust the size as well, each of them, everywhere. And to make them appear one by one, we just need to do this. It depends on how fast you want them to appear. So this is quite fast, and it should be okay for this. Now you can just click Save As and just leave it in the After Effects file. From here, you can just drag it in directly into Premiere Pro. Just click on the composition one and OK. So usually the audio there's no sound, so it doesn't matter if you have the soundtrack or not. You can add your own music or sound effects or anything. And here we can just delete this audio track because there's no sound. And we can make this as repeating. We just need to click Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, and that's what you get. Another thing is, when you want to edit an image in Photoshop, you can also do anything other than removing the background. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.